Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Taikina Beauty. I'm here with another video in the same shirt
I don't care. And
because your girl treated herself to some Fenty Beauty. I'm so excited to unbox this with you guys. This is a part of her, I think, holiday collection. It looks pretty holiday-ish to me, so yes. This is one of her new colors from her little lips, her lip stunner, but it's called Little Stunner. Super cute. A shade. This is in the shade called Underdawg. I felt like this is a perfect fall winter color. I've never tried one of her little lip stunner colors, the matte ones. I've only tried her the ones that came like
Mademoiselles.
in the mattes and they came in all those colors. I did not like those. I'm going to be honest with you. I had to return one of them, and I've only tried her gloss bombs because I love glosses. I'm not really a matte girl, but I felt like, hey, it's going to be the winter time and it's going to be cold, so let's not just do a matte that we can frequently do. So let's get into it. So this is it claims to be a one stroke intensity long wear matte finish unraveled precision wand. I feel like the wand's gonna have like the thing for people who have cupid's bows. I do not have cupid's bow. I wish I did. My man do though. This is so pretty that I don't even want to mess it up. I love how it has this thing so you can hang it up on the tree. Like, I would so do that. It's super cute. Fenty Beauty is one of my top favorite makeup brands. I ask for it like every year for Christmas. I'm so sad and mad. I'm like messing this up right now. I hate messing up pretty packaging, but here we are. Yeah, like I'm like sitting here talking about Fenty Beauty and like I have her stuff like right here. That's how obsessed I am. I love it. So we're gonna test it out and see if it really does the one stroke trick. Let me see. I'm so excited. I don't have a color like this. I think the closest thing I have is my Wet n Wild Cat Suit liquid lipstick. I'm not too sure of the color, but they do have like a vampy color just like this. I'm gonna swatch it, y'all. Oh my gosh, am I like opening this right? How do you open it? Righty. Okay, there we go. I got so scared. I thought it wasn't gonna open. That is so cute. It's so small and cute. Alright. Oh, that's a pretty color. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Super, super gorgeous. Gonna be so extra. And first I'm gonna wipe off this. Because I do have, I have the gloss bomb one. The original one. The OG. And I'm gonna try this. That is so... Okay. Okay, I'm gonna dip it. Because it says it claims a one strike. Okay.
Yeah, right there on my bottom lips, I got some bleeding. That's expected for, like, I guess a really pigmented matte. So you do have to legit let it dry. I notice when I wear this, it does stain everywhere, and that is my con for this. But overall, it's such a beautiful color.
I clearly overlined that, but it did pass the one stroke test. I didn't have to double dip. It doesn't take a long time to, it does take a while to dry. definitely does. I feel like I look like Ronald McDonald with these overlined lips. Wow, it did pass the one stroke test. Ooh, I like it. It's so cute. I love it. I love this, like, it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So this retails for $15. I don't think that's bad for a mini because I believe the bigger size, I think, is 28. Wow, or 24. I really like this. This is definitely gonna be like my all year long, not my all year long, but my all winter long and fall long lipstick. I absolutely like this. This is so cute. I feel like bad, like super bad. Let me see if it's dry enough to like surpass the see, this isn't even dry. Yeah, that's definitely not dry. But that is somewhat. Let's see. Still comes off a little bit. But I wonder if it's like super over drying. We're gonna see. But
Yeah, it's very over drying. I love Fenty, but
do like a
it's drying.
video, and if this in it, you guys know I like this. If not, you guys know what's up. But this video was not sponsored. I wish it was. I love you, girl Fenty, like so much. She's done it again. I think this is a perfect color for winter and fall time. I can see myself wearing this at Christmas parties, all Halloween, all of it. So girl, you got it going on. So thank you guys so much for watching. This was my mini unboxing of the Fenty Beauty Underdawg. I don't know, let me know if you guys would purchase this. This is the Stunner lip paint, and this is Underdawg. I think this fits me very well. Definitely the Underdawg. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you subscribe, y'all gotta know when I'm posting other videos. So hit that notification bell twice so you'll know next time when I'm posting new videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, you guys. Later.